Ever falling down, 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 ever falling down, ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
Even if I was blindsided by Mack trucks on a side street in an alleyway in a foreign city, I'd still make it back home. On a highway, no bulletins, no street signs, no other cars, no radio, no satellite, I'd still make it back home. Connected to the universe like a string of lights on a holiday. If one's out, doesn't mean that the mind's a ball who roam the stone. For the earth child with the fire, water, and sky under his toes, under his blows, under his belt, his the Orion sets the tones. I'll never regret the way canals of birth shot me forth on my feet, not my fins. I am a man to finish it out. Don't forget gravity laws, only thing keeping me from flight. Wings of space, infinite night, downward spiral, not in sight. Never, never.
Ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
Wait, there's no father, it's her and her offspring. Nobody's offering help, skin ain't softening, axe chopped to the ankles. Her baby's coughing, maybe the check will come today, the weight's exhausting. She's a pillar, so she can't be tilted. Give her sons the feeling as though they got $1 million to blow. Need no stilts to reach the stars. Teach the kids to reach with their heads and they each will be yours. I give a piece of me for her to have a piece of mind. Or a piece of your chicken cause it's ramen all the time. She's thin and getting scared but she never lets on. Many men will not fall cause they mama's head strong, 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 strong.
Ever falling down, 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 ever falling down.
Pick your feet on up, why don't you get on up? Lift your spirits up, damn I know this shit is tough. I flunked in high school, my pops he left me young. I often lost my cool days, I feared my mama's gun. I lost my only son when my girl she almost died. A bad abortion, haunted by a baby's eyes. And every reason lies, cause you know the truth inside.